Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your freelancer portfolio in LinkedIn using Upwork profile step by step clearly. To verify your freelancer portfolio on LinkedIn using your Upwork profile, begin by opening your LinkedIn account. Log in to your LinkedIn profile if you aren't already signed in. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the page. Once on your profile, locate that Add Profile section button. Click on Add Profile section to expand the options available. Under the Recommended tab, find and select Add Featured. In the Featured section, click on the plus icon to add a new item. Choose the option for links from the menu that appears. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to your Upwork profile. Copy the URL of your Upwork profile from the address bar. Return to your LinkedIn tab and paste the Upwork URL into the link field. Click Add to include the link to your Upwork profile. You can customize the title and description to reflect your skills and services accurately. Make sure the title succinctly mentions your freelancing specialization. In the description, provide a brief overview of your experience and projects on Upwork. After filling in the details, click Save to confirm your changes. Your Upwork profile link will now appear in your LinkedIn featured section. To enhance visibility, consider rearranging the position of the newly added link. Remember to review your profile to ensure everything appears correctly. By following these steps, you'll have successfully linked your Upwork profile to your LinkedIn account. This verification will showcase your freelancing skills to potential clients and employers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.